Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number type on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. If you've noticed that your phone number type is showing up and you want to clear it, this quick guide will help you do just that. First, open LinkedIn on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you can access your profile and account settings. After clicking Me, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account preferences and personal information. Next, under the Account Preferences section, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn allows you to edit important details about your profile. Scroll down until you see the Edit Contact Info option. Click on it to open your contact information settings, including your phone number and its associated type. Now, look for the Phone Type field. You'll notice a drop-down menu here. To remove the phone type, simply click on this drop-down and select Please Select. This effectively clears the phone type from your profile. Once you've made this change, make sure to confirm or save your updates. This step is crucial to ensure that your phone number type is successfully removed from your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've now removed your phone number type on LinkedIn using your PC with the new update. It's a simple process that helps keep your profile information just the way you want it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check back for more helpful LinkedIn tips and updates.